What's up, guys? Steve here for Card Breaking Now, and we're doing our first McDavid Mania box Raz. 10 spots. Best of luck. Top name after 4 is taking it home. We're live. Good luck. It is what time? 10:13? That's not right. Let me refresh this. There you go. That's better. 12:17 in Newfoundland, and we got 4 randoms coming at you. Here's our list: Clay, everybody in between. 1, 2, 3. Is a timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is 12:17. 12:17 it is. And we got our last and final. Top name is taken home to McDavid Mania box. And there you go. Clay, spot 10. Congrats, man. Let me copy this over for you. Spot 10 done on one of the bookends. Nobody ever wants spot 1 or 10. But it paid off this time as 12:17 timestamp and 12:17. So congratulations again, Clay. You were top two names. You only needed 1. Spot 10 done for you. Congrats again.